Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials and taking action now. Open Instagram and load the target profile. Look at the bio for a contact button, phone icon, or email link. If you see contact, tap it. That often shows a business phone. Once done, scan recent posts, highlights, and linked websites because owners sometimes list numbers there. Make sure you note exact username spellings and any alternate names to use in the next search steps. Next, you expand the search and connect dots across platforms. If the profile links a website, open it and check contact or about pages for a phone. Once done, search the username on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Businesses often reuse contact details. Use mutual followers and tagged photos to identify real names, then search those names plus likely phone formats. Make sure to try the email local part as a username. Sometimes it reveals contact info on other sites. Finally, you verify and complete the process responsibly. If you find a number, confirm it by sending a polite direct message or asking a mutual contact to verify. Once done, consider a reverse lookup to see if the number matches the profile name, but respect privacy and legal limits. If you can't find anything because the account is private or blocked, request contact through a DM or the business inquiry button, and make sure to document your steps in case you need to follow up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.